Hello, my name is Mike and I work for the Midway Motors McPherson GMC store. And so today I want to talk to you a little bit about tires. So one thing we do notice every time we do an inspection and a walk around on your vehicle, we will check your tires for tread depth. And so one thing we like to do is these are the wear bars. And these usually measure out right about 2/32 of an inch to 3/32 of an inch. So when we go over it, we'll put this little tool on there and we'll measure them out. And you can see these tires, let me remeasure them real better, right in the middle. Right in the 3 to 4/32 of an inch. You can see they're measuring out in the yellow area, which is right above the red, which is where we need to replace tires at. But one thing to look at is also tires age just like everything else on your vehicle. And so you'll see that they're starting to get weather cracking in between the treads. And so weather cracking has the chance to not only cause blowouts and damage, but it's also one of those things, you want to replace them not only mileage wise, but time wise. So it's also something to take into consideration. So when you get new tires, they'll start to look like these nice, thick, even treads. They usually measure out in the 14 to 15/32 of an inch. So this is just something that we do every time your vehicle is serviced for anything here at the dealership of Midway Motors.